Hello, and this is Eric, the Swiss Army Knife, here to help you all with a little bit of a tidbit of information that will help not only your IT but your company, and in the long run the president of the company and the IT people will be very happy that you have learned this small nugget of information, and that is how to properly close your QuickBooks program. Almost every QuickBooks, from the simple QuickBooks to QuickBooks Enterprise, which this is right here, will close the same way. Why do I stress this on you? And that is because if you do not close the company file properly, you can damage it. You can cause incorrect backups, corrupt backups, a lot of different things. And everybody has an idea of what it could or couldn't do. But QuickBooks has outlined that this is the best way to close your file, especially if you're in a network and you're working with a bunch of people. Having it partially open or open all the way with a bunch of windows open may actually inhibit people from doing things. So I'm going to show you this. Typically, this is what your window looks like. You've got your menu bar up here across the top, and most will just go up to the upper right hand corner and hit that X. That is the one thing you do not do at this stage. So what I'm going to suggest for you to do is go to the file on the upper left hand corner, and if you'll see a scroll down to close company, and that's what you need to do, is close the company right from there. And if you'll see, it will close, and then it will leave you to another window, which is basically either find the file or open. And at this point in time, yes, you can go to the upper right hand corner. Don't leave it this way. Don't leave your file this way and walk away and think, I closed it, I'm good. Because this actually, in a network setting, will hang that file and cause issues, possibly with a backup or the count of the people that are on it, and you don't want to do that. So properly close it, just go up to the X and you're done. Hope this helps. Have a great day.